Thinking about selling your home? Here's my simple skip or fix checklist. Stop guessing. Start netting more. Rule 1. Fix what scares buyers or the inspector. Active leaks, fix. Roof issues, fix. Signs of moisture, fix. Electrical hazards, fix. Broken GFCIs, fix. Dead, smoke, or CO detectors, fix. Pest problems, fix. Obvious wood rot, fix. Stuck doors, fix. Cracked windows, fix. Loose railings, fix. Trip hazards, fix. These are deal killers that shrink your buyer pool and your price. Rule 2. Focus on first impressions. High ROI, low drama, fresh neutral paint, curb appeal, mulch, curb appeal, prune, curb appeal. Add drought-friendly plants. Curb appeal, clean the walkway. Curb appeal, new doormat. Curb appeal, mailbox refresh. Lighting, brighter bulbs. Lighting, consistent color temperature. Lighting, updated entry and dining fixtures. Deep clean and declutter. Closets half empty. Deep clean and declutter. Counters cleared. Deep clean and declutter. Garage organized. Caulk and grout touch-ups. New cabinet hardware. Quiet door hinges. Minor bath refresh. New shower curtain. Minor bath refresh. Fresh towels. Minor bath refresh bar door frame mirror. Minor bath refresh modern faucet. These make your home feel move-in ready without heavy spend. Rule 3. Skip the risky money pits. Full kitchen or bath remodels right before listing. Skip. Removing walls or layout changes. Skip. Full window replacements. Skip. Luxury appliances. Skip. Custom built-ins. Skip. New roof if the current one is serviceable. Document maintenance instead. Market-dependent maybes. Ask me before you swing a hammer. Floors. Refinish hardwoods. Floors. Replace only if beyond repair. Countertops. Mid-range quartz can work if cabinets and layout justify it. HVAC and water heater. Tune up and certify. HVAC and water heater. Replace only if near failure. My 3 filters for every decision. 1. Safety and compliance. If it fails, fix. 1. First impression. If buyers see it in the first 30 seconds, refresh. 1. ROI and time. If it doesn't pay back before closing, skip. Smart budget. Plan 1 to 3% of expected list price for prep. Smart timeline. 14 days. Week 1, repairs. Week 1, paint. Week 1, lighting. Week 1, landscaping. Week 2, clean. Week 2, minor updates. Week 2, staging. Week 2, photos. If you're in Scotts Valley or nearby and want a targeted plan, I begin with questions. Then tailor the strategy to your goals. So I'll uncover hidden opportunities, avoid costly pitfalls, and get you market ready without overdoing it. Ready for your custom skip or fix checklist? Let's talk.